How to hide apps on Android. Hiding apps on Android device can help you to maintain your privacy on your home screen. So there are several methods that you can use to hide app depending on your phone brand and software version. Here are some common ways to hide your apps for your Android device. So once you are here, you have to swipe off on your home screen like this. And you have to tap on the menu icon. Here you can see the three vertical dot which is on the top right corner of the screen. After that, here you have to scroll down. And here you can just go for the manage app category, and here you will find the hide option. So these are the hide app. So if you want to restore it, just go for the restore option and go for the OK option. Also, you can just go back here, and here you will find the all hide apps on your app drawer here. So if you want to have this on your home screen, just long press on that and place it on your home screen. Also, you can go for the three bar, and you can just enable this option about hide app icons. That's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.